हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू फ्रेंड्स। इस वीडियो में हम आपके लिए लाए हैं 16 मार्च 2021 को हुए अकाउंट क्लर्क एग्ज़ाम की आंसर की, जो आपके फ्यूचर में आने वाले कॉमर्स से रिलेटेड एग्ज़ाम के लिए बेहद महत्वपूर्ण है। तो दोस्तों, वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखिएगा। एंड फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो को हमने 4 पार्ट में डिवाइड करा है ताकि वीडियो आपके लिए ज़्यादा लंबी ना रहे। तो चलिए दोस्तों, वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। बट उससे पहले अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि ऐसे ही कॉमर्स से रिलेटेड इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज हम आपके लिए लाते रहें। दोस्तों, पहला क्वेश्चन है, टू इंश्योर द इंफॉर्मेशन डिस्क्लोज मस्ट बी क्रेडिबल, वेरीफिएबल बाय इंडिपेंडेंट पार्टीज, यूज द सेम मेथड ऑफ मेजरिंग एंड बी न्यूट्रल एंड फेथफुल, reliability. Which of the following is the balance sheet equation? Assets is equals to liabilities plus capital. A statement prepared with the debit and credit balance of the ledger accounts to test the arithmetical accuracy of the books is called trial balance. A sale of goods to Ram for cash should be debited to cash account. If the bill is not paid by the drawee on its due date, it is called dishonor of bill. Rupees 10,000 paid in cash for repair of a newly purchased old machine were debited to repair accounts while passing a rectifying entry. Machine account debit and repairs account credit. Transfer of bill of exchange in favor of another person is called endorsement. A bank reconciliation statement reconciles the bank statement with cash book. Depreciation is a non-cash operating expense. The revenue of a period must be matched with the expenses of that period to determine the correct profit and loss for that accounting period, says matching principle. Providing depreciation ensures sufficient cash for asset replacement under non-inflationary condition. In cash basis accounting, which of the following is considered interest paid? According to Dash principle, revenue is considered to have been realized when a transaction have been entered into and the obligation to receive the amount is established. Revenue recognition. Bank reconciliation statement is made to know reason for differences between the balance as per passbook and as per cash book. Dash is an example of intangible assets. Goodwill. If a transaction is not recorded in the book, it is called error of omission. Dash is an amount set aside out of current earnings, considered necessary to provide for all losses that are expected to arise out of transaction entered into provision. According to Dash assumption, it is assumed that business shall continue for a foreseeable period and there is no intention to close down going concern. Expenditure incurred like payment of wages for construction of building is debited to building account. The first entry in the journal to record the closing balance of the previous year is called the opening entry. If stationery of rupees 100 has been debited twice to stationery account, the error will be rectified by credit stationery by rupees 100. Dash is the amount invested in an enterprise by the proprietor or partner. Capital. When the bills are discounted, the discounting charges charged by the bank are debited by the drawee in his book, which does not hold good for bill of exchange. It is an oral order. Which of the following is not a method to calculate depreciation under accounting standard? Cost or non-realizable value, whichever is lower. तो दोस्तों, इस वीडियो में हमने 25 क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करे हैं। आगे आने वाली वीडियो में हम बाकी के रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे। वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें।